How to join a private group on Telegram without link. First thing you have to do is simply open up your Telegram application and just make sure that you're logged in to your account. And then at the top, you'll find the search bar. If you know the name of the group, you could just go ahead and search for it. And once you find the group, you could just tap on the group that you want to join. And if the group is private, then you have something called request to join option instead of join here. And if the admin approves your request, then you'll be able to join the group. Now, without the link, if you have an existing member as a friend or the group admin as your friend on Telegram, you could just request them to add you to the group. So as you can see here, this person has asked me to add her to the group, so I just sent a invite link to my group. So what you could do is just do the same. Just type in, hey, can you add me to your group or something along those lines, and they will most probably see your message and add you to the group without even having to send you the invite link. So let me just show you guys how I did that. I just head over to here, tap on add members, select the member, and then tap on done. And now you could just add the member like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.